morning students. Welcome back to your VBBS e-learning class. Today my topic is lesson 4 Idgah of English Literature workbook, and what you all have to do, you all have to mention the date in your book and open your lesson 4 in English Literature workbook. Pause.
As you all know that yesterday I have completed up to lesson 4 in your English Literature course book. Today I am going to discuss lesson 4 of English workbook Idgah. So in this exercise, when we begin with the exercises, read about Mr. Lal and discuss the timetable. This is Mr. Lal's timetable. He wake up 6 a.m. in the morning. 6:15 he runs round the park. 7:30 a.m. takes a cold shower. 8 a.m. eats the breakfast. 8:20 a.m. walks to work. 8:45 a.m. starts work again. 1 p.m. begins lunch. 4 p.m. drinks tea. 5:15 p.m. stops work. 5:13 p.m. plays tennis. So every day Mr. Lal wakes up at 6 o'clock. He runs round the park at 6:15. He takes a cold shower at 7:30. At 8 o'clock he eats his breakfast and then walks to work. He starts work at 9:15. His lunch hour begins at 1 o'clock. Usually at 4 o'clock he drinks tea. Then at 5:15 he stops work. He plays tennis at 5:30. This is Mr. Lal. So in the exercise 2, some questions are related to this paragraph which we have to complete in the workbook only with the help of pencil. Answer these questions. When does Mr. Lal wake up? As I have completed the paragraph, I am going to write down the answers. You have to fill it into the book with the help of pencil like this. When does Mr. Lal wake up? So Mr. Lal wake up at 6 a.m. You can write like this. How long does Mr. Lal take to walk to work? 25 minutes he take to walk to work. Next question is, see, what time does Mr. Lal drink his tea? At 4 o'clock does Mr. Lal drink his tea? Then the next question, when does Mr. Lal plays tennis? At 5:30. So you all have to complete it into the workbook with the help of pencil. As same as I have completed. Then next, come to the next. This is your exercise 3 and the page number 38. Now look at Mr. Pal timetable and ask your own questions. This is Mr. Pal's timetable. 9 a.m. he wakes up. 9:15 runs to catch bus. 9:30 a.m. 30 a.m. arrives to work. Next 9:45 a.m. eats breakfast. 12 p.m. stops work. 12:30 p.m. goes to the canteen for lunch. 1:30 p.m. runs to work. 3 p.m. drinks tea. 3:30 goes home and 4 p.m. plays cards. So you have to make a paragraph taking these timings and complete your paragraph on Mr. Pal. So you can complete like this as I have completed. Write a similar paragraph about Mr. Pal. Mr. Pal wakes up at 9 a.m. He runs to catch bus at 9:15 a.m. Then he arrives to work at 9:30 a.m. Then at 9:45 a.m. he eats breakfast and stops work at 12 p.m. Then he goes to the canteen for lunch at 12:30 p.m. He returns to work at 1:30 p.m. He drinks tea at 3 p.m. He goes home at 3:30. Then he play cards at 4 p.m. So you can complete it like this. Then come to the page number 39. Exercises are given like this. This is your first exercise of page number 39. Add ER to the following words and rewrite them. Be careful, not all the end letters are doubled. Means rub is given, you have to add ER. So we can complete this exercise like this. Rub is given, we can add RUB double RUBBER means at the end word is doubled and ER is added like this. Next is run, runner, play, player, shop, shopper, rob, robber, dig, digger, swim, swimmer, double M. Again I am repeating that last word will be double. Boxer, but in this double X not be given, because it is given in the instructions also that always it is not be necessary that last word will be double and when we change into ER. Okay. Fit, fitter, begin, beginner, strike, striker, win, winner. Come to the next exercise, exercise 2. It is given like this. Now try these. All the verbs end in Y. The Y is changed to I before ER is added. Means reply word is given. At the last you are seeing that Y is given. Na? So Y you replace it. You add I before adding ER. So reply can be changed. Replier, fryer, dryer like this. I have completed. You can have to complete into your workbook like this. Reply, replier means Y is replaced and we add IER. Fry, fryer, dry, dryer, fly, flyer, worry, worrier, carry, carrier, supply, supplier, cry, crier. Okay, you can complete it like this, same as I have completed. Come to the next exercise. Exercise 3. Match the following words to make compound words. A compound word is formed by joining two or more words. Bed plus room, bedroom. Like this, bird is given. And in this, different words are given. Bird, arm, bull, tooth, broom, match, butter, over, dust, tea, ash. And in the next B column, some words are given. Coat, pot, dog, box, brush, stick, chair, bin, fly, cage, tray. So you have to match A with B. So see that bird is matched with which word? So bird, cage. Arm is matched with chair. Bull, dog. Okay. Tooth, brush. So you can also complete as I have completed in the copy. You have to complete it into the book only like this. Tooth, brush, broom, stick, bird, cage, tea, pot, ash, tray, dust, bin, match, box, bulldog, overcoat, butterfly, arm, chair. So you all have to complete these exercises of your workbook in your book only with the help of pencil. And what is your homework? Your homework is to revise and learn all the exercises those I have completed today of lesson 4 Eidgah. Okay beta, thank you.